it is happy mail time. Super excited. I just got my order from CoffeePlannerMom from her latest release, and it is so cute because, as I tell you every time, I have no chill. I get it in the mail, I open it up. I like to double check all of the things. So here we go. I always get, now that she offers date dots, I always get with an order a thing of date dots. My freebie, but I don't know if this is available anymore. You can always try it, see what happens. But I know the PR term technically was up at the end of June. So I don't know if it'll work anymore. But FYI, that was my freebie. I liked this one a lot. It was in the Tropics colorway. And then I got the $25 freebie. Someone come get me because I am a mess. It's true. And the $50 freebie. So I'm going to put these littler guys off to the side for right now. And then the new kit. So I do a thing in music class with jellyfish. We use it as a vocal warm-up. And on YouTube, there's like a live stream of one of the aquariums. And so we'll just wait for the jellyfish to come. Like, we'll watch the live stream and the kids have to use their hands to mimic the jellyfish going up and down. I should do it this way because, yeah. And then they use their voices as our vocal warm-up. So like if the jellyfish is going up, they go ooh, ooh. And when the jellyfish is going down, ooh. And they notice that sometimes the jellyfish stays really, really wide. And they go very fast. So their voices might have to go ooh. And sometimes there's tons of jellyfish at the same time. I said, just pick one. You don't, So when I saw the jellyfish, it just made me think of our vocal warm-up. They're so cute. And the stingrays are fun. And just all of the different scenery. This is a really different kit from, I feel like, a lot of her kits because we have a lot of characters. And like the dolphins and the jellyfish and the whales. So we've got a lot of things going on. I love it though. I really like the colors here too. I need her to do like this blue and gray, but also with a yellow. That's what I need. I'm so demanding, Brittany. I'm sorry. I just love your stickers so much. Some corals. And then we've got our functional boxes. A little more deco up there. I love that it's the dolphins for the days of the week. The ocean breeze puts my mind at ease. I have never been to the ocean. I'm such a homebody. I don't go anywhere. Like, I stay within my little 4-state interior of the United States. And then we have the weekend banners, so pretty. Stay wild, ocean child. Have a whale of a time. My dreams are made of sand and sea. The sea is a continual miracle. And that's a Walt Whitman quote. We have this week meal plan. Next week, don't forget. Here we go. Important, appointment, chores, birthday, dinners, towel Tuesday, trash night, and payday. I've talked about this multiple times, and I will every time, that having important appointment is like a tongue twister. And Brittany laughs every time when I say that. So there you go. I am so excited about the new weekend banners because I always don't use a whole kit. I rarely use a whole kit in one spread. So once that weekend banner's gone, it's gone. So having a bonus one, super exciting. Love it. Since I didn't do a 4th of July spread, I may save this one for New Year's. That'd be a fun one. Oh, I didn't even notice she changed that. Did anybody else notice that? Okay, compare. I got more popsicles because popsicles. Do you see that? Do you see it? Brittany, how did we not notice this? Was this on purpose? I need answers. Y'all can tell I'm in a much better mood than I was during my plan with me. All right, more popsicles to go with the weekend banner. I saw that and I was like, oh, more popsicles. Strawberries. So I like to do strawberries and, before I show you the boxes, sunflowers together. I don't know why. I don't know why I get this vibe of strawberries and sunflowers, but it just makes me happy. dust. And then some extra half boxes. I do have one more thing to show you, but it's going to be a cutaway because I don't currently have it up here. So I'll get back to you later with that. Happy mail number 2 is my Scentflirt from Pink Zebra. Now, Scentflirt is a subscription box. So you get surprises every month that has to do with home fragrance or home decor and things like that. I really like how they've changed up their packaging. So it comes in a big pink box. I can't fit the big pink box in frame. I should do that next time though. And this one is called Adventure Awaits. And inside, they tell you about all the product. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. And then it talks about some of the exclusives you get as a scent flirter. And then it also talks about one of the fragrances. I didn't even notice this part, but this is awesome. It gives you, because we got an exclusive fragrance, tells you some different things you can mix it with too, because that's what I love about Pink Zebra, especially as a Pink Zebra consultant. I love mixing fragrances and making it my own. So I will say I've already opened this and been using it. This is the Orange Blossom and Lemongrass insect repellent fragrance. Now I will say it does not smell like off or anything like that, if that's what you're concerned about. It smells really good, but it also helps keep bugs away. So if you like are camping, you can use this in a candle. You can if you're in a camper and you've got the electricity, you can use one of the warmers for this. This stuff is great. I actually mixed it with Cherry Bomb, which is like a cherry pop, like popsicle scent. Smells amazing. Love it. It might be my new favorite. So we got a full-size bag of those sprinkles, and that was an exclusive. We also got the bug spray or insect repellent spray, and here's what I love to use this for, other than on myself, because clearly I like to, that's what it's meant for. But when it is nice enough to have the windows open in my house, I spray my screens with this instead of bug spray. A, it smells nicer. B, it's just telling the bugs to stay away. So, and what's cool about these bottles is I didn't even know this was a thing until I was with Pink Zebra, but it is a bag on valve pressurized spray. So there's no propellant in it. So you're not getting extra chemicals from that. So that's pretty cool. So we got a full-size bottle of that. And then this is brand new. It's only Scentflirters got it. It is a spray lotion, friends, and it is amazing. I'm gonna see if I can, I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more. There we go. This one is in our Relaxed Lavender Vanilla, and I'm gonna see if you can see it spray out. Do you see that? I don't know. I can't tell from my screen, but I'll do it one more time. But it's super light. I don't know. A lot of times when I put lotion on, I just need just a touch, and it's so moisturizing. I was super excited about this when I opened it up. I'm like, yes. So I hope this becomes a product line that we can actually buy anytime. But it's sheer and moisturizing with vitamins A, E, and B5, instantly softens skin. And that is not a lie. My skin is super soft. I'm thinking about taking this one to one of my school buildings, because we use so much hand sanitizer throughout the day. My hands are the softest in the summer because I'm at home not using hand sanitizer 24/7. So I like to keep a lot of different lotions, and this one, like I said, it's just a nice little, I'm gonna do it again just so you can see it. Maybe you can see it. I should probably, no, my camera arm is in the way, so I can't see if you can see. Oh, well, that's how it goes. So that is my Scentflirt Happy Mail. If you enjoyed any of these Happy Mail things, if you want to know more about Scentflirt, there's a link in the description. You can check that out. Same with CoffeePlannerMom. And you know that I'm going to be planning with those stickers. All right. And if you want to see me plan with her stickers for this past plan with me, check the card up here and see you later.